Can't find it?
No.
It's in the garage somewhere?
I tried to look. I found this one.
Lillian, wait a second. Wait, okay? What? What cake? We have to wait till other people get here. We didn't do this just for you.
You want to wait for your friends. Wait for your friends. We'll have to open Jonathan.
Hey. Nope. Oh. Okay, lick it off. Lick it off. Is it good? Okay, lick it all off. Get it all off your fingers.